welcome to the first song of the new year. This song's a couple of years old. It's called God and My Dog. I'm pretty sure my dog didn't come up with a plan to make the earth, the sun, or the moon. He didn't part the Red Sea or give the Ten Commandments. Chasing sticks is all he can do. He didn't give up his only son for us. I don't believe he made Adam or Eve. But in one way my canine is like the most divine. God and my dog love and forgive me. I bet my house a big guy doesn't chase his tail or lift his leg when he has to go. He doesn't show his privates out in public places or sniff ungodly things with his nose. The good Lord won't be waiting for hours anticipating a squirrel to come back down a tree. But when I have my doubts, I don't have a doubt that God and my dog love and forgive me. Their stripes of a different color can't be mistaken for one another. One saves me with amazing grace, the other with a wet kiss right to the face. Now I'm an average human, I sin and I fail. I don't always act perfectly. I make some people frown and others may look down, but God and my dog love and forgive me. Yes, God and my dog love and forgive me. There you have it, and thanks for watching.